Good morning, and this morning we're doing a comparison with the Seagull Maritime SWS Burnt Umber GT kit made in Canada and the Takamine 332C made in Korea. Both these guitars are roughly the same price, same strings on them. The Takamine is a very well made guitar, and we're going to play a few little snips on it and see what you think. All right. Okay, this guitar plays beautifully. I played this in bars, I played this at campfires. It's a tough guitar. Now we're going to compare it with the Canadian made Seagull. Beautiful guitar. The top is just amazing. Solid wood. All right. All right, let's go. All right. Anyways, this guitar, it has a Godin little control system here. It's got a tuner built in. You got your volume, your tones. Great guitar, made in Canada. This is the Maritime series with the cedar top, soundproof top. What can I say? For under $1,000. You know, I'm not trying to push this more. Your ears are the judge. But in my life, for what I play, this is my guitar. This is my new baby. And if you like the Takamine better, that's fine. But thanks for listening. I'll be doing more of these videos. And God bless you. And be safe. Bye for now.